everybody, and welcome back to another studio vlog. Hi, how's it going? First off, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who watched my previous video. It was my first how-to video that I've ever posted, and I put a lot of effort into it, so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helped you. If you want to know how to make stickers, definitely check that video out. But if you don't want to know how to make stickers, that's cool too. It is a new week, and it has been an eventful week. It is now Wednesday. It feels like a Friday to me right now, but it's actually only Wednesday. I haven't talked about this on video yet, but I started a new contract job this week, which is very exciting. I feel like I need to explain myself a little because I've very much enjoyed being self-employed and focusing full-time on my art, but I had an opportunity come up that I couldn't pass up, and ultimately I am working with a company called Wings. It is a part-time contract, so it's probably not going to be forever, but I am excited to have the chance to work with them even for however long the contract shall be. But basically, Wings is a company that invests in indie game development teams that have women on them, women who hold prominent roles on the team, and other gender minorities as well. And they're just incredible. What they're doing is incredible. I have so much respect for everybody who is a part of the project, and I'm really excited to be a part of it. I'm going to be their communications manager for a little while, and I'm really excited. But that does mean some things are going to change for me. My schedule is going to have to be rearranged a little bit, and I'm going to have to figure that out, which is why this week has been a little bit odd. So yeah, some things are moving, some things are changing around. I did make a post kind of explaining more about this on my Patreon as well, so feel free to check that out if you're a patron. Ultimately, my goal is, it might be unrealistic, but my goal is that I can take on this job and nothing else will change. My goal is I can take on all this extra work, but I'll still be able to put exactly the same amount into everything else. And I know that this is unrealistic, so will I be able to achieve my goal? Probably not, but I'm gonna work so hard. I'm gonna try my very best to keep putting out the same level of content as I was before taking on this job. So fingers crossed. Please don't yell at me in the comments. I promise I will try to do this as healthily as possible. I have a lot of cool stuff to show you guys this week. I think we're gonna do some spring cleaning. I've already done a huge spring cleaning of my digital files, my digital space, which has been so needed. But now I need to do some spring cleaning in my studio as well. So anyway, let's get into the rest of the video. Thank you so much for being here. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but if you do, you're really cool. And maybe give it a thumbs up too. But yeah, anyway, I appreciate you guys. Let's go! Hello everybody! Today it was a very, very rainy day. It was kind of cozy though. It was very cozy. I do enjoy rainy days every now and again. They have some of the best cozy vibes ever. But yeah, on this cozy day I was working on the April Patreon print. It's a little bit hard to see in this clip because it was so dark in the room. So the iPad ended up being very overexposed, but you'll get to see it up close in detail very, very soon. But yeah, I was just working away, doing some finishing touches, and it was really cozy and nice. I often do live streaming of my drawing sessions, but sometimes it's nice to just sit and draw with just your thoughts and maybe a podcast or something. But yeah, anyway, I'm now going to show you the Procreate time-lapse footage of me working on this piece. I start off with a very, very basic rough sketch. I was not in the mood to do a very detailed sketch, as you can see, and decided to just jump right on into colors, which is something that I do very often. And I had a reference photo that I found, and I ended up straying quite a bit from it because I really liked the white and blue and yellow color combination. So I kind of stuck with that throughout the duration of the piece. And I also started this illustration on Twitch. I was live streaming it. And I had a viewer recommend that I put a butterfly in the illustration as well. And I ended up doing that, I think soon. And I really just think it tied everything together. It's so cute. The butterfly is very similar to the yellow butterfly in Animal Crossing, which I love, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you like it too. There is the complete illustration. Hello everybody, it's me again. So you guys just saw some footage of me working on my April Patreon print. And if you remember from one of my past videos, I talked about some big changes that I'm making to Patreon. And one of those changes is that I am going to be outsourcing my Patreon prints. So that print that you just saw me drawing in the past, I'm in the future now, was the first print that I'm going to have printed professionally and outsourced. And I actually have it already. Future Krista has the prints. They're here. They came today. They actually came quicker than I thought. I placed the order on the 1st, I think maybe the 2nd of May, because that was Monday. And it's the 5th, and it's already here. And I'm pretty sure it said it wasn't going to come until like the 10th or something. So I'm very happy. It's here. We get to unbox it, and let's see what the prints look like. I can't wait to show you. So here are the prints all completed. Look how pretty they are. I'm so happy with them. I want to give you guys a chance to see them up close and also to see the back detail that I created. It's really fun to have a front design as well as a little back design that has the date of the Patreon mail so that any patrons will never forget when this print came from. But yeah, there they all are. So there you have, this is the, there you have it. This is the print for April. I'm so happy with how they turned out. They are printed on much thicker paper than my printer at home can handle, and it's just very professional. And the back is really cute as well. It says a little handwritten note by me. Well, handwritten on Procreate and then printed. And it has the date that this Patreon print is available for. So this overall design, the front and the back, are going to be exclusive for April's Patreon. And yeah, I just think that's really exciting. I did notice that they are cut slightly off. There's a little bit larger of a margin on this side than there is on this side, and that's not how it looked in the proof. So I think I might contact them about it and see what they say, because I am a little bit of a perfectionist with this stuff, as I'm sure many of you can understand. But yeah, other than that, I think that they turned out really, really well. And here is the sticker that goes along with them. This is what the sticker looks like. But yeah, these are what the stickers are looking like. I pre-made a whole bunch of these the other day. So we have this whole stack of stickers that are ready to go to their new homes, which is really exciting. And I thought it was fun too that my patrons voted on the butterfly sticker to match with the butterfly on the print, which is really cute. So this Happy Mail is looking really heckin' adorable. But yeah, anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Let's get on with the video, shall we? Hello, it is voiceover Krista again. I am just going to wrap up this video with some cozy Patreon mail packing footage. I've done this a couple times. I've ended my videos with a couple minutes of order packing, and you guys always seem to like it. And that's great because I love filming the order packing process, and I love packing orders, and I find it very relaxing to watch, so I'm glad that so many of you like it as well. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking, and I will let you listen to all the cozy order packing sounds, and then I will chat with you again at the very end of the video. See you then. Sorry, I look like a potato. But thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'm sorry, plant. I just punched my plant. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. See you then. Bye!